How to report a video on Bilibili. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app opens, navigate to the video you want to report by browsing your feed using the search function or opening it from a link. In the top right corner of the screen, you will see a three dots icon. Tap on it. A menu will appear. Select a report option. You will then see different reporting categories such as inappropriate content, copyright infringement, spam, or harassment. Choose the region that best fits why you are reporting the video. After selecting a category, you may be asked to provide additional details or screenshots to support your report. Fill in the necessary information to help Bilibili moderators understand the issue clearly. Finally, tap Submit to send your report. Bilibili will review the video and take appropriate action according to their community guidelines. Now you know how to report a video on Bilibili safely and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.